Hi, Cal from BHP UK, and today I'm joined by Tom, who's ridden all the way up from Wales on his very special Hypermotard SP. Although you've come from Wales, you actually bought the bike in Florence, right?
Yeah, I used to live in Italy, so it's only been transported over a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, I just wanted to get it de-restricted so I can ride the bike with full potential.
So at the moment it's restricted to the A2 restrictions, 47 brake horsepower. We're going to try and remove that. I see you've already gone and fitted the SC project cans on.
Correct. Yeah.
So we'll try and get those mapped in as well, but we'll get it running to the full potential first, and then we'll start to map in the mods that you've made to the bike.
Perfect, yeah.
Let's get it on the dyno, let's see what it's doing, let's see how Ducati have set it up at the factory, where they've put the restrictions, get rid of those restrictions and get the mapping for the cans. That's the base runs done on the stock bike. The bike is making 42.9 brake horsepower at the back wheel. With the transmission losses, that's what you'd likely to be expecting anyway. It's a Euro 5 bike, it's lean everywhere. Let's get the restrictions taken off first, and then we'll come back down and set the SC cans up. So that's a wrap on this bike. Just have a quick look at what we actually managed to do. Took us a whole day. It was new software, so we had to go back to the drawing board. Obviously we've drawn the experience that we've already got on these bikes, but it did take us a little while, didn't it, Tom? Yeah, we're waiting patiently in the reception area. So we started off with 42.96 at the back wheel, and we ended up, once we just removed the restrictions on their own, we ended up with 103. So we've actually gained 60 horsepower at the back wheel.
Unbelievable. Honestly, I'm speechless. Thank you so much, Carl. Do appreciate it, honestly.
We then went on and tuned in your SC cans properly, and we ended up with 109.85, pretty much 110 brake horsepower at the back wheel. Amazing. So you've got a gain there of 67 brake horsepower. Honestly. So torque at full throttle, we start off with 65. You got 65 at just over 3,000 RPM, and then it just tailed off really. With the unrestricted bike, we're at 91, and with the bike that's tuned in, we're actually at 95, just short of Newton meters of torque at the back wheel. At 50% throttle, as far as power is concerned, you've gone up from 28 brake horsepower with the restricted map on it, 62 with the unrestricted map, and 73 with the SC cans tuned in. Should ride really well, really smooth, you get a really good power delivery, but I'm sure you'll get back to us and let us know how you find it. It's an hour and a half back.
Yeah, it was well worth the wait, honestly unbelievable. Great experience, first time I've been here at BHP UK. Recommend it 100%. So.
Thanks for your kind words there, Tom. But do get back to us and let us know how you find it on the road.
Perfect.
See you soon, Tom. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
So that's a wrap on the restricted A2 license Ducatis. They will be very shortly available on our ECU Flasher, so if you're not local to us and you have one of these restricted bikes, buy one of the Flashers. The link will be in the description below, and that will enable you to take a read from your bike, send that file to us, and one of our map writers will not only de-restrict it for you, but tune in any modifications that you've put on the bike. We do hope you're enjoying what we bring you to the channel. This is a real passion thing for us. We love meeting bikers and chatting with bikers and spending all our day tuning their bikes. But we do hope you're enjoying what we bring in, and you hit the subscribe button. Do hit the bell icon. That'll keep you notified of any new videos that we've got in the pipeline.